everybody, I'm Josh Flagner. I'm here at ISRI 2024, the Scrap and Recycling Expo with Quality Components Company. We have some of our most popular torches. We've got our powder setup. If you look over here, we have our flow meters, a lot of our tips set up, our tractors with our machine torch, and Frank, our salesperson, with some customers.
Hey everybody, it's Frank, Sales Engineering Manager at QCC with the best torches in the world. We're here at ISRI 2024 in Las Vegas, having a great time, meeting new people and helping people cut in their yards better.